Mr. Right here, we're getting ready for A-Level Maths Film 4. We are looking at equations with fractions, but we're looking at equations with fractions which have got binomial numerators. You can see here we've got binomial numerators. Also, we're going to look at two examples. The second example, importantly, has a negative sign here, and we're going to see what sort of difference that makes. Right, let's crack on. Here's our first example. We have got denominators of 2 and 3, so we're going to multiply by the lowest common multiple of those. We're going to multiply everything by 6. Of course, I have to multiply that 2x by 6 as well, because I have to multiply the entire left-hand side by 6. Now, if I multiply something over 2 by 6, I end up just with 3 of the something that was over 2. If I multiply something over 3 by 6, I end up with just 2 of the top. I'm going to write it out like that with brackets on purpose, and I would suggest you wrote that extra line too, because it's going to help you when they become a bit more complicated in a couple of minutes. I've multiplied out the brackets. I'm going to tidy up my left-hand side. I've got 15x minus 3 equals 10x plus 6, an equation with x's on both sides. I'm going to subtract 10x from both sides. And now I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So 5x is 9, so x is 9 over 5, which is, of course, 1 4/5, or 1.8. Right, let's look at this second example now. And you'll remember that I made a point of pointing out this minus sign to you here. Let's see what difference that makes. Right. I've got denominators of 4 and 6. I could multiply by 24, but actually I'd much rather multiply by 12, multiply by the lowest common multiple. Keep things simple. Of course, I have to multiply the whole of that left-hand side by 12. Gives me 12x plus 3 lots of the top equals 24. Copy down this minus sign, and then I've got 2 lots of the top. 2 lots of 3 minus 5x. Okay, right, going to multiply out the brackets. Going to copy down the 12x plus 3x minus 6 equals 24 minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. Look out, minus 2 times minus 5x is plus 10x. If I hadn't written down this middle line with the brackets, it would have been easy to miss that negative bracket there, which changed the minus 5x to plus 10x. Tidy up both sides. 18 plus 10x. Which side has the least x's? The right-hand side. Minus 10x from both sides. Okay, add 6 to both sides. So x is 24 over 5, or alternatively 4 4/5, or alternatively 4.8. Okay, as ever, you can practice these skills by using the buckets and the questions and answers provided in the comments. If you'd like more help, get in touch, leave a question in the comments, and of course you can head over to YouTube and subscribe to me there, or you can follow me on TikTok.